All right, to take this section of the course home, we're going to wrap up with some pretty quick rapid fire preview demos. And these are topics that we're not going to dive very deep into, but I want to bring to your attention just so that you're aware of the functionality. So first up, importing custom visuals. You'll see these three little dots, this ellipsis, in the lower right corner. This allows you to import custom visuals either from files or from the Power BI Marketplace directly into your report. So you can search different topics or categories, look at suggested visuals, and then once you pick one that you like, press add, click OK, and boom, it's accessible right there. You don't even need to restart Power BI. You can start working with it immediately. And to clarify, this is a completely free, totally open source marketplace of custom visuals that already has a ton of really interesting options, but it's continuing to grow by the day. So definitely worth taking a look at. And I'll just take 30 seconds now to show you what this looks like in the actual Power BI environment. So like I showed, here's my visualizations pane. Click these three little dots. It says import a custom visual. I'm going to choose from Marketplace. And right here, it opens up the Power BI Visuals Marketplace. You can search different categories. You can look at top editor picks, filter visuals, some really creative ones in here, like network visualization. You can do image timelines, custom KPI charts, different types of maps. I don't know what Sandance is, but it sounds really cool. And then really all you have to do is click add. I'm going with Sandance. Press OK. And check it out. I've got a Sandance now. So again, we could spend hours digging into all the custom visual options available. Best bet is for you to just scroll through, check out that marketplace on your own, and start exploring some new visuals.